What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn about how to add a webcam in the OBS Studio or the Streamlabs. So for that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. So what you guys have to do, just go to the ad source and navigate yourself down. You will see video and audio option and video capture option. Just click on that and then go to the add screen option. As I've already done so, I'm just going to go ahead and add a new resource. Just go ahead and click on add source, select your webcam, and then activate the device. If you want to configure the video, you guys can do that. Set the resolution, set the FPS, the video format. Because I'm already using the webcam in this video while recording, so it won't show the settings right away. I'm going to delete the new one that I've just created and go with the previous one, so I can show the settings to you guys. Let me open it up. You will see that I'm using Noro B11 as the webcam. I'm using the default FPS and resolution settings because I've already set it in the video settings. I'm using the color space of record.709 because that's the video recording settings for me as well. And the rest of the setting is as it is, and I'm using the separate microphone for it. So yeah, that's how it goes. For moving it, just simply pick it up and move it anywhere else. If you guys want to put it somewhere else, if you want to crop it, just press Alt and then move in that direction which you want to crop it. And if you guys want to squeeze the size, just grab it from any corner without pressing the Alt. You guys will be able to do it. But if you press Alt, what it will do, it will simply go ahead and crop the webcam image. Now, adding to the part where we'll be discussing about the uh, blending and cropping part, also known as some people call it the blurring part. It requires a green screen or a magenta screen or a brown screen, but a screen at the background of the object. Here I don't have it, so I won't be able to show you guys exactly how it works, but in order to use it, just right click on it, go to the filters, go to the add filters, and add mask and that filter. So yeah, and select the setting that suits you best. And if you guys want to have a complete green screen at the background, we're going to use the Chrome key factor. Go to the add filter, then go to the color key and select it. Now select the color of the screen in the background. What it will do, it will totally remove the background out of it, so that the only focus will be on the front screen. As of now, it says, you guys can see that it has wiped out the brown color, so which was not a good decision because it was also in the foreground. So see you next one. Take care. Bye bye.